In a peaceful village surrounded by lush green fields, there lived an old man named Devon. He was wise, kind, and well respected by the villagers. He had 3 sons, Ravi, Mohan, and Suraj. Though the old man had worked hard all his life to provide for them, his sons were always fighting with each other. They were selfish, greedy, and never helped one another. As Devon grew older, he worried about what would happen to his sons after he was gone. He tried many times to teach them the value of unity, but they never listened. One day, Devon fell seriously ill. Realizing that his time was near, he called his sons to his bedside. "My dear sons," he said weakly, "I have one final lesson for you. Go to the backyard and bring me a bundle of sticks." The brothers were confused but obeyed their father's request. They brought him a tightly tied bundle of dry sticks. "Now," Devon said, "I want each of you to take turns breaking this bundle in half." Ravi, the eldest, stepped forward and tried with all his strength, but the bundle wouldn't break. Mohan and Suraj also tried, but the sticks remained unbroken. Devon smiled and then untied the bundle. "Now, take a single stick and break it." The brothers easily snapped the sticks one by one. Devon looked at them and said, "My sons, when these sticks were tied together, they were strong. But when separated, they broke easily. This is the power of unity. If you stay united and support each other, nothing can break you. But if you fight among yourselves, you will fall apart, just like these sticks." The 3 brothers were silent, realizing the wisdom in their father's words. They regretted their past behavior and promised to always stand by one another. After Devon passed away, his sons honored his teachings. They worked together, took care of the family land, and became successful. Their unity brought them happiness and prosperity, just as their father had wished. The moral of story is, strength lies in unity. When we stand together, we can overcome any challenge.